Hi friends, myself Amal Shinani and I'm the director of Pilot Smith India Private Limited. So Pilot Smith is into food processing machinery manufacturing. We are now exhibiting our machines in Mogambika exhibitions Lucknow. So come, let's see the machines that we have exhibited here. The first machine we have displayed here is the pulverizer machine. It's a double stage grinding machine that we have displayed here. This machine is generally used for the fine grinding of masala, herbs, Ayurveda, chemicals, spices, even rice, wheat, all those grains and millets. So the working is very simple. We feed the materials over here in the hopper, in the tray, and from here the material travels down through the hopper to this here is the grinding chamber. Material reaches here, and here the double stage grinding happens. First, the materials are grinded by the primary grinding hammers, the pre-crushing hammers. After the crushing is over, the material is then transferred to the fine grinding hammer, where the fine grinding of materials that we feed happens. And depending on the hole size of the sieves that we install, we get the powder fineness in the required levels. As you can see, the machine comes with 5 default hole size sieves of different hole sizes. As per the customer requirement, we can customize the hole size of the sieves. So generally the machine comes with 1 wheat sieve, 1 sieve for rice, 1 for turmeric, 1 for masala, and 1 for coriander. The next machine we have exhibited here is the Urli roaster machine. So this works by the heat transfer medium given here is actually liquefied petroleum gas. That is, we have used the LPG cylinder for the transfer of heat to the condense for the roasting purpose. As you can see, this is a 15 kg capacity model. Likewise, we have the 25 kg capacity, 50 kg capacity, 100 and up to 250 kg capacity we have. So generally the roasting time is 20 to 30 minutes. We can roast materials like wheat, rice, coriander, even millets and peanuts. All these materials we can roast it so that the flavor is improved, the taste is improved, and we also get a good shelf life. Then we have our range of machineries, all these supplied here. The first one we have displayed here is the rice washing machine, generally used for the washing of millets and all those grains, to wash and clean them before further processing. Second one is the fruit pulper machine, used to extract fruit pulp from fresh fruits like orange, apple, bananas, all those stuff. And this pulp is then used to make different sweets, jams, juice crush, and all those things, jellies, fruit jellies, and everything. Then we have shown here the hammer mill machine. This is a bulk quantity grinding machine suitable for rice processing plants and even masala processing plants. This comes with a motor power of 30 HP to 75 HP. We can get a production capacity of 500 kg to 1000 kg per hour. This is our head office. As you can see, we have a staff strength of 300. So in Kerala, we have around 7 units, 7 production facilities we have. We also have branch offices in Tamil Nadu. We have in 3 places, that is in Salem, Coimbatore, and in Chennai. We have our office in Bangalore. We also have our office in Lucknow, that's in UP. This is our spices processing plant, mainly used for the processing of chili and coriander. This is our trademark and design patented product. It's called the Sortiner machine, mainly used for the roasting purpose of wheat, rice, coriander. We can also make like jams, pickles, sauce, and all other stuff. So basically, powders and semi-solids can be prepared in the Sortiner machine. Now comes the ribbon blender machine, used for the mixing purpose and for the for getting different spice powders, for getting different masala mixes like chaat masala, garam masala, chicken masala, fish masala, and all those. Then comes the colloid mill machine. This machine basically is used to make various nut butters, like peanut butter we can make it, and even hazelnut butter we can make it. Also, this can also be used for mixing like solids with the liquids to get a final form of semi-solid mixture. So we can mix like milk, we can mix it with dry fruits to get a semi-solid thick nature material. Like we can make milkshakes and all other semi-solid stuff in this machine. So this, as you can see, is our machinery brochure. These are the various machines that we manufacture. There's more there's more listed in our website and also in our YouTube channel by the name Pilot Smith. As you can see, these are the machines coming under the cleaning and grading section. Then comes the roasting and drying equipments, the size reduction equipments, and blending equipments. And also, as per the customer requirement and choice, we can customize the various machines. The machine make can be adjusted according to the customer requirement. We can have the complete machinery done in MS, or have the complete machinery done in SS, or we can do it in stainless steel contact and the rest in MS. It's all depending on the customer requirement. So that's all. So for more information, you can visit our website, and also for further clarifications and for machine purchase related inquiries, you can call in the number listed in the video. That's all. Thank you.